Alright, now we're doing 8Q, convert a Boolean to a string. This is by Potato and 87% of the people like it. So we're going to implement a function which converts the given Boolean value into its string representation. And note, only valid inputs will be given. Alright. So there's a few ways we could do this. If you don't know what a Boolean is, it's just a binary variable having two possible values called true and false. So it's either true or false, just like here. True, false, right, just like that. So we could say something like this. We could do an if statement, say if, and we could say if b equals true, we come down here and say return string true. And if not, we'll just say return string false. Let's check it out. Alright, and that works. One thing we could do to this to shorten it up a little bit is we could get this and just delete this because it's kind of redundant. Because all we have to do is say if b exists, return true. Because if b is false or 0 or anything else, that means it doesn't exist. So let's test this out. And just like this. Alright. And so we could do some other stuff too. We could say slash star to comment this stuff out, control end, put another star up there, and then do another slash, and then control home. And we could do something like this. We could say const Boolean to string like this equals b, and then have an arrow like this. We could use something like this conditional or ternary operator, which is the only JavaScript operator that takes three operands: a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. And this operator is frequently used as an alternative to an if-else statement. So basically what we'll do is just say if b exists, question mark, will return true. If not, will return false. Let's see if this works. Test it out. And there we go, just like that. And there's even another way we could do this. We could come over here, do a copy this. In front of this, we'll just say slash comment that out. And then press enter and do a control V. And we could say b plus an empty string. Let's see what that does. It works, that's what it does. And there we go. There's three ways we could do it. Let's attempt it and submit it. All right. And so there's another way right here, the toString method. Basically, you just do b or whatever dot toString and then have the little parentheses after that. It'll call a function to convert it to a string. Here's one of the ones we did. This is the string constructor, which when you wrap this thing around anything really, it converts it into it does type conversion to a primitive string. And then here's a hilarious one, and you can just keep going down and check out all the ones that you feel like. All right, and we'll let's see. Let's do best practice here. Very much like it, and we'll see you next time.